Hello guys, welcome back. Today our topic is going to be verification and validation. What is the difference between the verification and validation? Yes, point by point we can see now. So first one, it includes checking the document design, codes and program. Okay, but here in validation it includes testing and validating the actual product. So we will check the document design, codes and programs in the before developing our applications. That will come as verification. We are verifying it. So validating, after once we started the coding everything, we will validate it as per how it is working, the actual product. It includes testing and validating the actual product. Next point, verification is the static testing. Static means what? It will not change. Okay, so verification is the static testing and validation is the dynamic testing. So we are giving the inputs and getting the outputs. It's a dynamic, so it's not in the same stage. So validation is the dynamic testing. And third one, it does not include the execution of the code. So the code is not executed, just we are verifying it, verifying all the documents, how we are going to develop. That's what this does not include, the execution of the code. But here in validation, it includes the execution of the code. Once we started our coding, how it is going to work, what is the output. That's what here they say, it includes the execution of the code. So methods are used in verifications are reviews, walkthrough, inspection and test checking. And here methods used in the validations are black box testing, white box testing and non-function testing. This now comes under the validation. And here it checks whether the software conforms to specification or not. And validation, it checks whether the software meets the requirement and the expectation of the customer or not. What customer is expecting, we have met that requirements or not. Okay, so it can find the bug in the early stage of the development, but here it can only find the bug that could not be found by the verification process. Okay, so on the next point is quality assurance team does the verification. Okay, here in validation is executed on software code with the help of testing team. Here quality assurance. Okay, and next it comes before validation. So after this verification only we will validate our application, but here it comes after verification. The validation, when it will come after verification only, validation will happen. So next one, it consists of checking of document files and is performed by the human, right? And it consists of execution of program and it is performed by computer. And next one, verification is for prevention of error. You should not get error. We are preventing by verifying everything. So it is a prevention of error. But here validation is for detection of error. While validating only we can identify what is how we got our result. Next one, verification finds about 50 to 60% of the defects, but validation finds about the 20 to 30% of the defects. Verification is based on the opinion of reviewer and many changes from person to person. Okay, but verification is based on the fact and it is often stable. Okay, this is the difference between the verification and validation. I hope you understand it clearly. Thank you.